Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. For today's video, as you can see in the title up there, I am doing a Dior unboxing video because I just love unboxing stuff. I know I don't really do it on my channel, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make it a regular thing because who doesn't like to see people unboxing things, right? So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing my two purchases from Dior, which I don't want to come off as I'm bragging because that is not what I'm doing. I'm just kindly showing and sharing my purchases. I know people will take it offensively. I don't know why. There's people out there in the world that get really offended when you spend money on yourself and you treat yourself to things, which... hello, what else am I gonna do with my money? I worked hard for my stuff, so I'm gonna spend it on whatever I want, and you can do you. So I'm not trying to brag or show off in any way, shape, or form. I'm just showing people what I bought because people like to see things like this. Yes, it's the thing. It is really a thing, and I'm guilty because I love to see people unbox their stuff, what they bought, and so on and so forth. I will literally link people below that I love watching that unbox their stuff and their hauls. One person I really love watching her videos is Pin Size Fashionista. Her videos just, they inspire me, and then it gives me more ideas on what to buy. So here I am showing you my purchases. Anyways guys, if you guys want to see my new purchases, then let's get into the video. If not, then I will see you guys next time. And I'm going to be showing you guys what exactly I bought from Dior. I've been wanting these two things particularly for a very long time, so we're going to go right into it. So the first little thing that I bought is in this cute little bag. I really love the Dior bags because of, I don't know if you can see the little detail on it. Probably not, but it's like a textured material. And they come with a cute little Dior ribbon. And I feel so bad to open this, but I really want to wear the earrings today, so we're gonna do that. I just love how they wrapped it with the ribbon. And then the box again has that texture of the bag. You open it up and it's in a little pouch, which is in here. We're gonna remove it. I feel so bad. And in here, oh, even it has this little cute little mesh pouch. So in here we have a pair of hoops. I have been so into hoops lately, it's kind of bad. So we have the Dior hoops. So one of them has a star, and then the other one just says Dior with a star and a little lucky charm. Let me zoom you in. Like, how adorable are these? I'm just gonna put them on because why not? So you guys can see how it looks on too. I'm gonna remove my first and my second. So that's how they look on, and I just think they're so cute. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. That is all. So for the earrings, it was the total of $368.05, and I purchased it from the Crystal Shops, the Dior store in Vegas at the city center. And they are originally $340 plus tax, which is $8.25, and there you have it. These hoops are the Dior earrings. They are Asymmetrics XXL hoops in aged gold tone finish metal, and they are 7 centimeters. So that's the size you like, I would go for it. And I'm seriously in love with them. They're the cutest. They also do come in crystal. They come in black, and let me see what else they come in. They come in a silver tone with the black writing too, but I just went with the gold because gold is classic. Now let's get on to the star of the show. Here is my cute little box with the same cute ribbon. I don't want to take it off. So cute. I love this ribbon. I might just reuse it. Oh, it comes with this cute little Dior sticker. Here it is. It comes in a really pretty dust bag, which I will be getting used out of because I love to store my stuff in the dust bag and the box. Here is the receipt. I'll give you guys the price first so you can think, you know, what I got. So I got the Diorama calfskin. The retail price is $3,600. Just a little too much, but it's so cute. I don't care. I can justify the price. With tax and all, it was $3,897. I'm not finding the exact color online, but it's a charcoal shade. And to be honest with you, I was going back and forth between the small Diorama and the Dior flat bag, which is the same style bag, except it has a little flap in the front where you can hold it as a wristlet, and then it says Dior on it. But this one just caught my eye because I love the color silver. I love anything metallic, anything shiny, just give it to me, okay? So this is my new baby. Let's showcase her. So here it is. It's this charcoal metallic color. It almost pulls gray and black in some light. So it depends on the light I'm in. So if I'm like under the sun, it'll pull like a more silver. If I'm just in like a darker scene area, like at night, it'll pull black. But right now it's pulling a charcoal color, which I absolutely love. And the chain even is a charcoaly, it's not a full silver chain color. So that's what I like about it. And I still have all the detailing on the clasp right here, which to open this up, you just push it in and ta-da, it's open. And I like how the inside is also metallic. It's not like a solid matte finish, although on the inside it is. So I originally wanted to go bigger, but if you go bigger, it gets more expensive. So I went with the small size, and I thought that this would be more easier to use for every day, because who wants to carry around a ginormous bag? And it like weighs on your shoulders since it is a chain. What is that called? What is that called? The shoulder strap is a chain, so it will get heavy over time. But you do have the leather component on the chain to help lengthen or shorten, whatever you want. And there's a couple of ways to hold it. So the leather strap is also metallic, same color. And here it is. And on the inside, it is pretty roomy. Well, it is for me. I just carry my phone, my cards, sometimes a lip gloss, and whatever. So it's in here. And then you do have a zipper portion. So you could put whatever you want in there. It's pretty roomy. And this bag is kind of stiff because it is a harder leather, but I will take that because it will not scratch, which if you do have long nails or anything sharp with you, then you're gonna scratch the bag and then you're gonna get sad and then you're gonna be like, why did I do that? Like, I have other leather bags where I have scuffed it, unfortunately. And it does come with an authentication card, so y'all know that I am not lying. I was not prepared for this video whatsoever. So sorry for the lighting change. Let me show you how you can hold this. So if you're going out at night, you can pull the leather strap and the chain together. and do a over the shoulder moment, which will be sitting like this. You can drop the leather part under the bag so it hugs it, and then have the chain over your shoulder like that. So you can have it like that, have it just drape over your shoulder. You can do the casual moment and have it go over the shoulder. Or you can also just put it on one shoulder and call it a day. So this is my new baby and I'm so excited to use it. I will be mainly holding it over my shoulder to one side. Usually it just lays on my right hip because that's where I feel more comfortable. And I will also be holding it the other ways I showed you because I like to mix and match my stuff. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like. Let me know what else you guys want to see in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!